But yeah, I think we're gonna go hitchhiking because there's literally just no buses. There's no buses. I tried so hard, but I'm trying to find like a road that's not like full of cars, not full of cars, but like, you know, because I'm on like a highway right now. One advantage of me hitchhiking is my sweet innocent face, you know what I'm saying? I'm so easy to be like picked up, you know, by someone because, you know, my sweet innocent face. But the disadvantage is I could be picked up by the wrong person because of my sweet innocent looking face. Start going hitchhiking. Let's see if someone picks me up. No, all right. They might see the camera, but I don't know. Hitchhike, hitchhike, hitchhike. No, okay. All right, this is so fun. It's sketchy, but it's kind of fun. Hitchhike, hitchhike. No, all right. See, I literally have a 2-hour walk, bro. You know what I mean? So I'm trying. Crap, there's a car that passed me. I didn't even notice. No one's coming. Okay. But look at this view, though. This is really nice. I literally have the camera in my book bag. Oh, you right? Hitchhike. I think that Mercedes might be coming up. Might be picking me up. Hitchhike, hitchhike. Oh, no way. Oh no. Hitchhike, hitchhike. I won't even hitch myself either. Let's see. Hitchhike, hitchhike. No. Alright. There's a bus coming too. I wonder if that bus gonna pull over. I'm gonna keep recording just in case. Nope. The bus didn't even pull over. I think there's a car coming. The thing is, there's this turn here, so it might be a dangerous place to stop. You know what I mean? Oh, hit me. Oh, there's branches. No? We're good. Alright. Just know I'm recording your license plate. I can't even see that car. I mean, hear it. Oh, there's a car. Hit me. Let's see. No, okay. That car was close to me. I mean, I would be close to myself, so. There's a taxi. Hell no. I ain't getting ripped off today, boys. I just want to go zip lining, bro. You know what I mean? Oh, there's a gas station nearby. That might be a sign. Crap, man. There's a gate here. What do I do? Jump? Can't just jump it. Crap. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something. Bro, there's no way this is legal. Look where I'm walking. Bro, what the f am I doing? What the f am I doing? Bro, I'm trying so hard to keep the camera still. What the f am I doing? Oh my god. Dude, this is not safe. This is so dangerous. Just walking on the f***ing edge. So it's saying to visit the roundabout. So I'm gonna climb up here. Go quick. Oh, try to cross the road. I'm gonna try to cross traffic when there's no cars coming. Let's see. Like I said, I don't know if this is legal, but dude, I don't have another way of getting there. And I've seen people walk here before, so it's not like this. I don't even think this is illegal. Well, at least in Albania. Don't mind me. Just a motherfucker like me. Wow, this is nuts. Whee! I can't. Oh man. I can't go through there. Oh my god, this is nuts, dude. Bro, Google Maps is even telling me to walk this way. That's the crazy thing. So there's no way this is illegal. Cop car. Let's see, what do I do? I'm just chilling here. I think I'm gonna cross this part of the road right here. I don't know where I'm going. Well, I do now. Oh, I know where I am. I'm at the bus station. Oh, yeah, I'm at the bus station. That's where I am. See, Istanbul. Istanbul. I'm not going to Istanbul. Let's go. There we go. Pulled over some people. Alright, so Google is telling me to go here, straight ahead. Oh, there's definitely a bus. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try to cross when I can. Oh my god, there's so much traffic though. That's the thing. Bro, I can't believe Google Maps is telling me to do this. Like what the f? Taxi driver. Taxi? Let's see. Not yet. Bro, this. A ver. Okay, after the green truck. I think I'm gonna go after the green truck. Oh my god, I thought I'd get ran over. There we go. Now we're gonna walk this route, I think. Wait, where are we going? Yeah, we're going this route. Google Maps is saying. Alright, we're good for now. I took the wrong way, so I gotta turn back around. Jesus. Bro, this is so annoying. Okay. Now I think I'm going the right way. But I think a good goal is just try to find like a taxi or something. Because I'm not far away from the place. Here are the dogs. Keep on. Keep on. So big tip for you guys, if a dog comes running at you, don't run away from it. Don't try to run away from it because they'll outrun you. You gotta just go up to them and just start walking in front of them because most likely they'll start backing up. Brody, I need water. Always bring water with you. Now let's see if I can even unzip. Oh, there we go. Oh yes, sir. This is gonna feel so good. That was refreshing. I think I hear a car coming. I'm gonna kind of walk backwards. It's time to hitchhike again. Yeah, I see a car. Let's see, they hit me. Hit me. I'm so fucking annoyed. Let's see, hit me. No? Okay, gotcha. Whew. Oh my god, it's so hot outside too. I used to work at an amusement park, so this is actually so I'm pretty used to hot weather, you know, and this is harsh, so just make sure you drink a lot of water. That's all you gotta do. Oh, there's a nice little pool. Bro, if I could just jump in, that would be nice. Even though I suck at swimming. That's a nice view though. Bro, that Toyota literally pulled over for a split second, waved hi and everything, and I was about to come in. He was like, no. He just drove off. I didn't get it on camera. That was so funny. There's another car coming. Cold world we live in, though, isn't it? I might have just found the place. Let me try to look. The zip line?
Zip line.
Yeah.
Don't move.
Okay.